This is number 47 in your review of section 6, where you're asked to find the capacity in gallons of a cylindrical container with a base diameter of 6.75 inches, which would give it a radius of half that, 3.375 inches, and a height of 8.12 inches. So we know that the volume of a cylinder is found by taking the area of the base, in this case pi r squared because it's a circle, times the height. So we're going to take pi times our radius squared, 3.375 squared, and multiply by the height, and we'll have the volume in cubic inches. That comes out to be about 290.57. But now we need to convert that to gallons. So first we're going to need to get our cubic inches converted to cubic feet because they're giving us information about the number of gallons in a cubic foot. And so we know that there are 12 cubed or 1,728 cubic inches in 1 cubic foot. And then in the information provided in the problem, we're told that in 1 cubic foot, we have 7.5 gallons. So we're going to get our inches cubed or cubic inches to cancel. We're going to get our cubic feet to cancel, and we will be left with gallons. If we multiply 290.57 by 7.5 and divide that answer by 1,728, we find that that capacity would be equivalent to 1.26 gallons.